Bro, new ownership right here. We've been here for so long, the Range Rover is in the fucking shade now. Wait, we gotta bleep that. Honk.
It should just be raw, bro.
What the?
What? That was half empty.
Uh-oh. Tight.
What's up, guys? There we go. I don't know if you guys can hear me because I've got a helmet on, but...
He's like, what the fuck?
Picking up a bike today.
You have a reservation, sir? Dude, if I could be like a...
Got the trailer. On our way.
On the rear limiter kit, sliders there. Looks like the some kind of fuel optimizer to get a little better. The sliders up front. I don't know if that's a stock exhaust or not. That might be stock. You got just some orange bling. Right. It's gonna make the bike fast or anything, but this looks like the programmer for that Fuel X. But I mean, basically, just like the car industry, you look at how much tread's left and whether it's dry rot or not. That's usually what you look at. Yeah. I mean, put it this way, the bike's only at 22, so hypothetically, worst case scenario, if these were stock tires, they're only a couple years older, you know what I mean? When you, I bet you money if we move it. That box for a second, because... Oh, let's see. Yeah,
I have enough in my...
New bike owner vibes right here on his phone.
You gotta film this part. What are you doing? I know what you mean though. But like it has some kind of a tune. JB4 on the Beamer and JB4 on the bike. Oh, it's definitely too close to that.
Or maybe it hasn't been ridden enough.
it's been sitting over there a while.
Fair enough.
Stands now? No,
No scratches until this man drives it for his first
Why is
time.
my cameraman clowning me?
And then he's gonna get, there's gonna be so many scratches everywhere, it's gonna be unrecognizable.
Chat, why is my cameraman clowning me right now?
We're gonna go on a little shop tour now. Got some pretty sick dirt bikes. Another bike. I don't know anything about bikes, by the way. First mod. Exhaust? Bro, do it. You don't have it on your car. It's true. It's okay, downpipe, but you need an exhaust. This guy goes, I'm gonna get a bike. I said, you need an exhaust for your BMW. But yeah, here we are.
This is where my exhaust money is going right now.
True. But yeah, we got some ATVs. Quite the assortment. And we got some bike on a little bike stand. Which is pretty dope.
Easy to bump start also. You just like walk and stump the foot.
Shot first manual car.
You're gonna come with it? And it came with a regular seat. Wow. You can if you want. It's just hard. Like, I regret that. You already pulled the trigger.
I do that. Like I'm getting it.
He's getting a bike. Almost new bike owner right here. Almost.
This is all my social media.
You see this handshake? This is your handshake. No, not yet. This is your new official bike owner handshake. Almost.
My Insta 360 record.
That would be super
I don't
sick.
use it.
Feel
I'll,
free to-
I'll like, we'll roll two up there too, or like whenever we do cruise or something. Oh, I need to get a cardo too. And shout out to this guy. Kind of got me into this. So bad influence, I think.
Bad financial mistakes for me.
Oh, it has velocity stacks. Shit.
I don't know what any of this means, not gonna lie. So this is all him. He's telling me here. This is why I brought him.
It's like an intake. Look, there it is.
I guess it has it.
Filter.
We're assuming it has. He's got a super good though.
Duke brothers now.
Yeah, we'll take some photos.
Yeah. So do I wrap it too, chat? So
He can't
he's
wrap.
got like an individual color on his BMW M340. Mine is like the Portimao blue, I think, from BMW on my car. But he's gonna wrap his. I don't know. Might do the same. I'm not sure. Oh, what do you think of Ruby Star Pink?
Not for me.
You had the attempted rep job this summer. L.
No, that was this
L.
summer, bro.
Wasn't that the summer?
This December was PPF.
Oh.
Like the first piece was like a really good like 3M like PPF, and it was like fine. But like I got like some other like really bad one, and that one was not fine. That was terrible to work with. But I got it like warranted, and they gave me all like rolls for like free, plus like a sample of another one. So it worked out.
You gotta get mirrors.
Huh?
You gotta get mirrors. Those ones.
Oh yeah,
The bar ones.
Because those were like swan neck kind of style one though. It's like these just stick out from the bike, because like the bike is like this, and then just like boom.
That's a US regulation. So is like, because the turn signals, they have to be like 9 inches apart. It's very annoying.
He's not out here right now. I don't know what he means.
20.
They're so low.
Yeah, they are. Official bike owner? Yes, sir. Let's go.
So let's go get you the super drift now.
Mine, because if I drop the bike, I don't want to like fuck it up. It's good to have.
Refund policy, huh? Huh? You mean after you crash it?
So jokingly, I was just like, "Yo, like, can I get a hat out of this deal?" You know, like it was like, let me go talk to someone. So like, you know, we made it work. He said we have a shirt or a hat. So here we are at the hat section.
Yeah, because we've been waiting for what, like an hour now?
So like, I asked him half an hour ago if my bike was ready, and like I guess the horn or something wasn't working. So they fixed it, and they're putting it back together now. We should be good to go. But here's the hats. Probably one of these Red Bull ones.
Yo, the Red Bull hat would be so sick.
This is actually kind of tough.
That's super tough.
If I can actually get it out. You know?
I kind of like the. Oh wait, but I like the stripe on the side too. Oh, that's a flat cap. I don't know if you're a flat cap kind of. You know what I'm saying?
What are you thinking?
I'm kind of thinking this one. Not gonna lie. Just because it's not like a flat cap.
I don't like the baseball ones.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say.
Bro, new ownership right here. We've been here for so long, the Range Rover's in the f***ing shade now. Wait, we gotta bleep that.
Huh?
Not really.
That doesn't say 55.
Yeah, it looks like a...
SS.
Yeah, SS. Guys, I got the orange one, right? The Super Duke 1290 right there. Here we are in the back cave. Pretty cool stuff.
Definitely get rid of those mirrors. They're still on.
that, chat. It's kind of sick, not gonna lie. About to show Applebee's a good time right now.
True, true.
What's up, guys? We're here at Sheets. Do you guys want to sponsor? You know, Sheets sponsor, but like, we are filling up the Rover right now. We're gonna fill up the bike after. So, yeah, honestly, my phone is dead at the moment. As you can see, like,
Rip.
but 2 phones, both basically dead. So, oh, there we go.
Oh, time to fill up the bike.
Well, time to walk back there to get some Wi-Fi and unlock the thing again.
True. Yeah, I don't think I've ever seen red fuel before.
Yeah, fuel says ethanol free, good way to go for the bike, so we're gonna
Is it gonna reach?
Yeah.
You're definitely gonna spill on your tank and that's not really good.
You sure it starts off by itself? Okay, we're pointing to the test.
That's it.
Bro, what? That was half empty.
0.3 gallons, bro.
Unless the elapse system's broken.
No, so so you gotta do the last bit yourself. So it'll fill up like 80% on its own.
I think this is recorded because I'm not gonna remember that.
That's topped off. So then you do this. No spill. 5.3 bucks.
Holy hell, bro.
$5 for a full tank? Hell yeah. Oh, half tank, half tank. Not bad, not bad.
Max right now? We're not there yet, guys.
Yeah, now it's full.
Hey, it started. It's about to be like a 17-point turn, my friend.
Not bad, not bad.
What do you mean 17 points? Fuck you.
It's harder than it looks. That's
Here's the real deal. And then here's the Toys R Us version.
Fuck you.
I'm kidding.
Oh yeah, maybe. I can almost.
Yeah, go get him. Go get him.
Hi, puppy.
Look, I even got the stand. in the clutch and brake. So you gotta be slower in the brake. If you jam it like that, you'll go flying off. Stay on your brake.
You're doing fine. You're doing fine. Actually, I was thinking that I would be the training wheels, and you, because you gotta learn sometime. You know what I'm saying? Actually, low key, I do.
Gonna use some B-roll shots right here, bro.
How do I start clutching?
You gotta prime it first.
That used to be in the run. This is Kim. Push, pull, start. That's your front brake. That's your rear.
Yeah, it's not that bad. It's just a lot to do at once.
I'm gonna make a little loop road.
Yeah.
Beaver in the background right there.
Ooh.